Hey guys, it's Erin, and I just like to show you this cool little Halloween DIY mossy, spooky Halloween fence gate thing. So to start off, you're going to need like a wooden gate, fence, whatever you want to decorate. I was lucky enough to find this going through some scrap wood, but you should be able to go to your local Home Depot or Lowe's and make something like this for cheap. You're also going to need different varieties of green, brown, gray, whatever color paints you want to try. Some stir sticks, some glue to mix in to help it stick, and I'm going to use dryer lint and cotton balls to mix in with it to help make the mossy look. So yeah, you're going to your supplies. I have paper plates as well to help mix them. For plate, you're going to mix together some of that green and brown paint that we previously picked out along with some white school glue before dipping that dryer lint and stretched out cotton balls into the mixture. And you're going to want to make sure you completely saturate those through every layer. Once you have a few pieces of moss made, you want to go ahead and start layering those onto the object that you are choosing to decorate. So as the glue dries, it dries to that object. And when you go back to make more, remember to mix up different shades of earthy green tones. So as you continue to layer your moss, it looks like it was formed more naturally. Now leave it outside to dry and you've got yourself a mossy, green, creepy fence. But that's not going to show up at night, so we got to continue decorating. I just happened to have found some old, faded, green Christmas lights that I can use to light this fence up. I actually really like how this looks with the Christmas lights wrapped around the gate. I guess we can call them Halloween lights now. But to me, at least from far away, the lights give it a little bit more of a cheerful look since it's hiding the moss than it does so much creepy. So we're going to need to figure something out to fix that. Dollar store Spiderweb for the win! This helped give the fence an extra creepy boost so I can really enjoy this fence at nighttime and daytime. Thank you all for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy this fun, quick little Halloween tutorial. Don't forget to like my video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Help support a girl out. Thank you.